Skar Audio SA-125.4D car amplifier review. Honest 720-watt compact power that actually delivers. Have you ever cranked your car stereo expecting your favorite song to hit hard, only to hear thin, distorted sound that makes you instinctively lower the volume in embarrassment? A coworker of mine played his new playlist through his factory speakers last week and literally apologized to his passengers for how bad it sounded. That moment stinks. Ever felt that exact frustration yourself? Here's what makes it worse. You've probably looked at amplifier options and felt overwhelmed by massive boxes that swallow your entire trunk, confusing specs that all sound the same, and prices that make you question whether better car audio is even worth the hassle. One first-time buyer told me he abandoned 3 different shopping carts before giving up entirely. The pressure builds quietly. There's a calmer path. Then everything changed when I found the Skar Audio SA-125.4D car audio amplifier. Don't just grab any car amplifier. Make sure it has true Class D efficiency with honest 125 watts per channel RMS power, so you never waste time on distorted, underpowered sound that ruins your daily drive again. This compact 720 watts 4-channel amplifier delivers clean, genuine power in a chassis small enough to hide under your seat. The Class D design runs cool while barely drawing current from your stock electrical system, meaning 0 alternator upgrades needed for most daily drivers. A freelance photographer nearly missed a client meeting because he was sitting in his car, stunned by how dramatically better his commute playlist sounded after installing the SA-125.4D the night before. Let me be honest, the variable crossovers let you dial in precise frequency separation between speakers and subwoofers, the 2-ohm stability extracts maximum power when your system demands it, and the speaker-level inputs integrate cleanly with factory head units without any added equipment. Quick bonus worth knowing, bridging the rear channels delivers 360 watts for serious subwoofer duty from one single amp. 4 months into daily driving with the SA-125.4D, I genuinely stopped noticing the amplifier because the sound just works. Clear, full, effortless at every volume level without strain, distortion, or thermal shutdowns, even during extended highway sessions. That invisible reliability is exactly what separates real upgrades from temporary Band-Aid fixes. A car audio testing publication confirmed the SA-125.4D's per-channel output tracked closely with Skar's published specs, noting that kind of specification honesty is refreshing in a market filled with inflated power claims. One budget audio content creator called it his go-to recommendation for first-time amplifier buyers because the value-to-performance ratio is genuinely hard to beat. A verified Jeep Wrangler owner mentioned the tri-mode configuration powered his front components and a 10-inch subwoofer from a single compact unit, eliminating the need for a second amplifier entirely. Worried about installation complexity or compatibility headaches? The standard ISO connections, clearly labeled terminals, and auto turn-on feature mean most handy owners complete the installation in under 3 hours without professional help. Industry analysts tracking the value segment note that honestly rated compact amplifiers are gaining market share because consumers increasingly prioritize practical performance over inflated spec sheets. What would having genuinely clean, powerful sound on every single commute actually change about your daily driving experience? The Skar Audio SA-125.4D delivers what daily drivers genuinely need. Honest 720 watts of clean Class D power, a compact chassis that disappears under your seat, and factory-friendly integration that works without electrical system upgrades or complicated rewiring. Thousands of first-time builders and experienced enthusiasts are already hearing the difference on every commute and road trip. Results may vary based on your specific speaker setup and installation quality. If you're ready to finally hear what your music is supposed to sound like, check the link in the description and experience the difference today. Your commute deserves better sound.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.